All right, guys, so you just got started and you want to be able to get access to SwipeTrades, right? So how do you do that? You're going to click where it says My Profile, and then you're going to click where it says Manage Product, right? And then once you go to Manage Product, see, the only way to be able to get access to SwipeTrades is by being an active member of SwipeTrades itself. So you can download the app SwipeTrades on your phone, but if you're not an active member, you're not going to be able to get access to it. All right. So this is where you get access to it. So you just click where it says Add, right? Right. And then it'll say, it'll pop up this, and then you click OK. And then from there, you click where it says, I fully, understand, I agree. Card information, then click where it says Save My Preferences. I already have it, so I don't know if I click this, what will happen, if it will charge me again. So you just click Save My Preferences, and you'll be able to get access to SwipeTrades. Then you will go into your phone, you log in to with the same exact login information on SwipeTrades on the app on your phone, and you'll be able to get access to SwipeTrades. Now, what you can be able to also do to be able to learn more on how to use SwipeTrades, you go back here, right, and then click where it says SwipeTrades right here, and then there's going to be videos on here that'll be able to teach you how to use SwipeTrades, and also they just added on the actual app itself how to be able to use it as well. So there's introduction here, and also how to use SwipeTrades on here as well. So this should be able to help you out. If you have any questions or concerns, or you're looking to be able to have more, another video that you can be able to, help us out with as far as other videos that we can be able to add to this, let us know, write a comment, like this page, like this video, subscribe to the page, and, let's become an FX Pro now.